Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Here is question from AIMS 2022 and this question is based on motion in one dimension. The question is saying that three different objects M1, M2 and M3 are allowed to fall from rest and from the same point O along three different frictionless paths. The speed of three objects on reaching the ground will be in the ratio. So M1 ratio M2 M ratio M3. B option A 1 1 1 and option C is M1 ratio 2 M2 ratio 3 M3. D है 1/M1 ratio 1/M2 ratio 1/M3. तो students, first we draw the figure. Let this is the point O at which three objects are falling from height h. Let the height of this point O from surface is h. Okay, and these are following three paths to come to the earth's surface. So this is M1, this is M2 and this is M3. Three bodies M1, M2, M3 is coming here. So this is M1, M2, M3. Okay, and you know that all the particles, bodies starting from rest, therefore u is equal to 0. So because path are frictionless path, these paths are frictionless, so when they come at the ground surface, their potential energy changes into kinetic energy. So M1 GH equal to half M1 V1 square. Similarly, potential energy of second ball or object M2 GH equal to half M2 V1 V2 square and M3 GH equal to half of M3 B3 square. Okay students, so here M1 cancel, M2 is cancelled, so we got GH equal to half V1 square or V1 square equal to 2GH. Similarly, B2 square equal to 2GH and B3 square equal to 2GH. So the velocity reaching on the ground doesn't depend on the mass of the body. Therefore V1 square ratio B2 square B3 square equal to 2GH ratio 2GH ratio 2GH, and 2GH cancel, so we get 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, B1 square B2 square or B3 square. If we take root of these velocities, so B1 ratio B2 ratio B3 equal to 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. So answer of this question will be option B, which is 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. So student, this is the solution of the question. I hope you got it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share it to your friends and also make comment to make it better. Thanks for watching.